Let's get into it. Alright, first up, the Moto G34 5G. This one's a crowd favorite for a reason. You're getting a Snapdragon 695 5G processor, which means smooth performance whether you're multitasking or gaming. That 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Super fluid scrolling and a treat for binge watching. The camera setup is solid. A 50MP main camera for crisp shots, a 2MP macro for close-ups, and a 16MP selfie shooter that gets the job done. Plus, the battery is a massive 5000 mAh, so no stress about running out during the day. Now here's the kicker. The 8GB RAM/128GB storage variant is often available right at Rs 999. If you spot a deal, grab it. It's a beast for the price. Now, moving on to the Moto G45 5G. This one's powered by the Snapdragon 6S Gen 3. Day-to-day use? No problem. The display is again 6.5 inches, and you'll either get HD Plus or FHD Plus, depending on the listing, but the 120Hz refresh rate is here to stay. Camera-wise, it's again a 50MP main sensor, paired with a 2MP secondary camera and a 16MP selfie cam. Battery's a generous 5000 mAh, and depending on the model, you get 20W or even 33W charging, which is pretty fast for this segment. Price? The 4GB/128GB variant usually fits under Rs 12,000 around Rs 11,000 to Rs 12,300, but the 8GB RAM option might go a bit higher if there aren't any deals, so keep an eye out for discounts. Last but not least, the Moto G35 5G. Don't sleep on this one if you want maximum savings. It runs on the Unisoc T760 processor, not the flashiest, but it handles basics with ease. The big highlight. A 6.72-inch FHD Plus display with 120Hz refresh, so big screen lovers, this one's for you. The camera setup is a 50MP main and an 8MP ultra-wide, the only phone in this list with an ultra-wide at this price. You're getting a 16MP front cam and, of course, a 5000 mAh battery with 18W charging. And best of all, this one's the most affordable, usually between Rs 999 and Rs 600. So how do you choose? If raw performance is top priority, the Moto G34 5G with 8GB RAM is a winner. Want an ultra-wide camera without breaking the bank? Go for the G35 5G. And if you want a balanced all-rounder, the Moto G45 5G is a safe bet. Don't forget, prices change all the time with online deals. So check Flipkart and Amazon for the latest offers before you buy. That's a quick guide to the top Motorola 5G phones under Rs 12,000 in India for 2025. Which one would you pick? Drop your choice in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one.